I want to get the attention of our 359 Peterbilt owners. I know we're kind of a dying breed, but we're really passionate about our 359s. Every 359 I've ever owned, your factory heater and air conditioner box completely rusted out, everything shook apart, cables busted, and it kind of like halfway works. Our friends at Soaring Eagle have come up with a complete brand new full replacement heater and air conditioning box. And get this, it's stainless steel. So where the factory one was steel and kind of painted, powder coated, so to speak, this stainless is never going to rust and deteriorate. So you're going to get it just like you see here. You're going to have a heater core, a new evaporator, expansion valve, all your cables, ID plates, switches, your electrical, your wiring, everything brand new. You're going to get cooling as if your truck was brand new. Whether it's a 79 model or an 86 model, it's going to work like it did when it left the Peterbilt factory. So these are not super inexpensive, but what's it worth to have cool air blowing on you in the summer and warm air keeping you warm in the middle of the winter? It's the only one available. You can get it at 4statetrucks.com. Go to the 4State website, put in Soaring Eagle 359 in the search bar. It'll take you right to this product. We've got them in stock typically and can ship it out to you the next day.